Good evening, my name is Kai. Nice to meet you. Hi, Kai. I'm Davis, an IT expert. How can I help you today? I'm an office employee at a green tech company and I'm looking for a good storage and backup solution for our company data. I see. Could you tell me how big your company is? It's a small company with about 20 employees. Right. How much data to want to backup? Around 100 gigabyte of file, including reports and customer information. Okay, there are two common options: cloud storage service and internal hard drive. Cloud storage like Google Drive or Robot lets you backup data online and easy share from between computer. Internal hard drive are small, portable, and can be carried anywhere, so they are convenient when traveling. That's so good. Which one do you recommend for companies like ours? Well, is your team or often set and any fry? I recommend cloud storage because it's more flexible and safe. If you want to keep data offline, an external hard drive is cheaper and doesn't its internet. I see how much that is often cost. Go right is free from 15 gigabyte and it's got about $1.99 per month for 100 gigabyte and additional hard drive with 120 gigabyte costs around $20 as a one-time payment. Is that very clear? Thank you so for us price. Zero crime hourglass. I could have a great day.